Alright. What are you hiding over there?
Fuck.
Here.
You see the little baggie that I threw up here that had
And what?
key waves? There it
There's
is.
oil pump stuff. I knew it was over there. You put it over here in my way. You're moving shit in my way again. You're not moving stuff on my workbench, confusing me, are you? If you stand back
No,
further,
that's good.
stand back further, you can see better. Right on the table. So, look at this. You like this?
I do.
What is it?
Brand new cover.
Yep.
Oh, it comes with all kinds of goodies. It comes with bolts. Oh shit. Fucking Mexico fucking chrome job.
No, it isn't. It's actually a really good chrome. Can't check it though. Cam's in the way. I can check it. Doesn't quite fit, see?
Little reamage.
A little tight. Oh, there we go. You get just right.
It's just like the crank, it'll clearance.
It's pretty tight. Now I get it. If it went on, it won't come off.
You just gotta talk to it right.
It's got a burr on the end of the shaft someplace. It's definitely tight though. Form fitted. This doesn't fit very well.
What are we doing here with that little file?
Trying to see if I can find the burr. You'll feel it when you get to it. Hear it? Still gonna be too tight. Might go on now. Still too tight. It only goes on halfway and stops. Tells me this bushing's not straight. See how the mark halfway in, see how they got that line in there? That's where it gets tight. Surprised they're not fitted already. Most of the stuff is really loose.
Sounds good.
That's good. So this shaft must be slightly oversized, or they have a slightly screwed up bushing hole. Which one do you think it is?
I think it's the bushing hole.
You think the bushing hole might be screwed up?
Yep.
You don't think they did it correctly, is what you're saying?
Oh, 9-year-old in Indonesia probably not going to do as better as you get down here at Tatro.
This is HK.
Heckler and Koch.
Yeah, these are really nice looking covers. Real nice chrome on them, though. They have a little wavy grind marks to it like the other ones do.
It's a bit wavy.
Yeah. No, this one's not. This one you can see yourself in. Yeah, I'm surprised the pinning bush doesn't fit though. Oh, there it goes. Just had to get it right.
Knock that burr down.
No, it's hitting on something. What the hell was I hitting on? I didn't see any hitting anywhere. It's weird. Ah. I'm binding.
Gotta have that snout up inside the case for clearance purpose.
No, it fits.
There we go.
No, it's just loose. So I never had one yet. You didn't have to work your units for use. Okay, let's see what their gasket is. Inter what? It's good material.
A little kinked up right there.
Made in USA. It's good material. It's Inter something name. I've seen that name before. It's good stuff.
31,000s.
31.
What was the other one? 32?
32, I thought.
31 and a half.
32, 30. It's like everything when you measure it. See this one's James. Yeah, it says James on it. But I bet you it's the same material. Private label. Alright. Where's the mark? Yeah, one off. No, 3 off. I'm getting closer. Only 1 off this time. How about that one? Yeah, if you highlight these, you'd see them better. That takes all the fun out of putting the cover on that.
Mm-hmm.
Boom! Went right on. Think it takes the same screws? Nope. See a little short one? Takes a long one there now too. Now it takes a long one there. No, it's too short.
Medium short one. Not a bad looking cover.
These are pretty nice. I just bought these, they're nice. In case it's threaded deep, it goes in a long one. A little different than the in plate, isn't it? It's got a lot now. It's like twice. Obviously the bushing is a different thickness.
Yeah. What was it, 16? What are we looking at now, 22?
It was 14.
14?
Well, that feels like 30 now. That's got a...
Holy shit.
That's like 50.
Yeah, that's not...
It has clearance now. The cam is still tight, so that didn't change. Oh, there's an option. It just breaks your bank, that's all. It's not binding the crank up either, it spins free. It destroys your undercover appeal though.
Yeah, the sleeper.
Yeah. Is this cover used now that I assembled it?
Yeah. 90% off clearance.
90% off.
Combination of wavy chrome, fucked up bushings,
Yeah,
messed up bushings,
might as well just throw the dumpster.
and you know, I mean, I'll run it if I have to.
If you're forced, twist your arm. Definitely takes different washers, so. Yeah, that's a big difference in height there.
I think the thickness in the bushing you sold me last time on that particular cover, which you're looking at right there, is a little bit higher quality bushing, therefore being thicker in the manufacture.
I don't know about the different quality, it's just definitely thickness change. We probably put a Jim's one in there, which is way different than whatever brand this one is. These are made in Taiwan, I think, these covers. Look at the packing plastic. These are made in Taiwan. These are nice covers though. Alright, what are we doing for an oval?